There are times when it's hard to continue. I feel tired, sleepless, and stressed every day. That's why it's important that we have a partner in continuing our fight. That's why this is always my partner every day. This is Lucky Me Pansit Canton. Lucky Me Pansit Canton, this is my best buddy.